That was Maggot Brain by a band called Funkadelic. Right ho, let's bring up the beat a little bit, shall we? You'll see what I did here. That was Hands Off She's Mine by The Beat, or The English Beat, because apparently there's one in America too. I don't know. Right, next tune's going to be from the album Radiohead's A Moon-Shaped Pool, and I think it's brilliant. It's Burn the Witch, which, like Theresa May, we could play as a theme tune.
If you flow, you burn. avoid all eye contact. Do not react. Shoot the messengers. This is a low-flying panic attack. Sing a song of sixpence that goes.
And that was Burn the Witch by Radiohead. If you ever get to see the video of this, have a search on YouTube, and it's I think it's like Camberwick Green or whatever. It's modelled upon that same sort of theme. It's pretty good, pretty funny as well. Right, I was reading through my computer the other day, and I found this track from around about 1977, 78. It was a friend's band. They were called Sister Ray, and their claim to fame was Johnny Marr played for about 6 weeks, I think, but apparently he was a bit of a dick. Apparently, allegedly. Sadly, Clive's died now, but this one's called Suicide. Another cheery tune, eh?
In
They don't make punk rock like they used to, do they, Eric? That was just me trying to be an old man. Well, I am old compared to some people. Right, yeah, that was Sister Ray. They were out in 77, 78, when punk was just getting really popular. Yeah, at one concert, Clive, the lead singer, nipped out backstage, come in and lobbed a full pig's head into the crowd. That went down really well, I can believe. Right, let's get on to some other tunes. Right, we've got a band called Blaney that I do a bit of driving for and a bit of filming for. Let's get some off their album, eh?
I'm lost in space on Earth. The only thing I've learned to trust with all my soul, but I'm never in control. I walked the lonely road, never did as I was told, but I'm learning every day. These thoughts won't go away. Sure, I've lived before, another dimension, a distant shore. Tell me what's my name. Tell me what's my name. Do you feel the pain? Do you feel the pain? From Scunthorpe to Brazil, highs, lows and thrills. Sometimes I recall the wind takes fuck off. Read the truth, make them weak. Leave the past alone, really cannot help you. No matter what inspires you, how many lights will blind you?